What is up, guys? We're out to Delphi Falls today. Today we're shooting on the iPhone 11, as you can see here, and the Sony A6100. Stickers just came in. Also, we have a new lav mic here, a little Sony lav mic, very cheap on Amazon, probably $19. On that note, we out. Also, quick before we do head out, shout out to my editor for letting me borrow her tripod today. Also using the Zhiyun, I don't know how to say it, Zhiyun Crane M2. That's the gimbal that we're using with today. Should definitely do a video on the Zhiyun Crane, but there it is, Crane M2. There's me, but yeah. Also, it's really hot out, only got this shirt. Didn't feel like doing laundry, but I'm gonna get a drink right quick before we head out. All the way uphill here. So we finally made it. I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, this is gonna be a pretty cool park to be at. It's actually very popular right now. Delphi Falls Park. Not bad. Kind of crowded if you look around here. But overall, not bad. That's where the trail starts. Let's get it. This is just part of that trail that I was talking about. Boy, Kip Jackson. We just made it. Just had to hike up this sketchy trail over there to get all the way up here, but the view honestly is stunning. Let me show you guys real quick. It's just stunning from up here. This view is crazy. That fall would have been wild. But what I didn't know is that there was another waterfall down there, if you guys can see. So after that sketchy hike, we found quite another surprise here for us. I'm gonna walk down there now. Had to switch gears, maybe a little bit shaky here, but I'm on the iPhone, probably because I'm walking on eggshells here, or rocks, little rocks. Ooh. Not gonna vlog for too long here because hella water is getting on my camera stuff. But we gotta do what we gotta do. After coming from all the way down there, literally, to now here. Come join me. So that's what we're working with here. It's your boy Kip Jackson, 20x20 gang.
All right, Keegan, 20x20 gang.
Max, 20x20 gang.
So, just met a couple of new guys, you know, help me out with the whole channel and everything. Shout out to my subscribers. I really love y'all. Thank you. Okay, this movement is growing. The website is there. T-shirt coming soon. Thank y'all so much. Till next time.